the sky, but a beautiful day and another beautiful day for a beautiful video. And that's why you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, tactical analysis, company philosophy. I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on this radio show. This is strictly my own personal opinions of the market. And now as we get away with that nonsense and mumbo-jumbo, we're going to look at, and I've been kind of on a little tear with BitBoy Crypto, and I'm going to show you again, and you guys need to take this video right now seriously, at least this first part of it, this first 3 minutes, and share this across. Make this video go on TikTok, Facebook Shorts, reshare it on all these platforms for me, and I'm going to show you how a manipulator, how Fleece Heister and Shyster really took a simple playbook out of a guy that really started the whole Shysterism on YouTube back when YouTube started. And I'm going to show you right now who BitBoy Crypto, not only does he take all these Shyster courses and Shyster classes, as he tries to take you one Shyster class at a time to the poorhouse and the shithouse, the literal shit and poorhouse, one class, one course, one book at a time. It's only one click, super simple and easy for BitBoy Crypto to fleece, heist, and shyst his hard-earned working audience, and he's going after the most vulnerable people, as I told you in the last video about BitBoy Crypto. But look what this charlatan and scumbag and fleecer, he's using the oldest trick in the book and the oldest playbook in the book, and we're going to show you right now. And you need to share this on Facebook Shorts. I'm challenging you, my audience, and I want you to comment down below with pictures, if you can do pictures of you sharing it on Facebook, Twitter, everywhere, YouTube Shorts. Get it out there, exposing who really BitBoy Crypto and the playbook he's using to fleece, heist, and shyst, and take his fucking 1.1 million subscribers to the shithouse so he can buy a car, a Lambo, a Mercedes-Benz, $100,000 TRX Ram pickup truck, fly private, then buy the jet, oceanfront properties left and right, and live the lavish a lifestyle that he portrays to you, and he's living it off of you. And I'm going to show you his playbook in a super simple and easy intro to our cryptocurrency and XRP video that's going to follow this, and take a look who BitBoy Crypto really is.
I don't represent the people, the fuck I don't! I'm the one who does! It's me!
I'm an explorer. I'm a human, and I'm coming.
I'm the one out here.
That's right. None other than Alex Jones playbook, baby. BitBoy Crypto is the Alex Jones of the cryptocurrency sphere, right? You got Alex Jones in the media sphere. BitBoy Crypto, that's right. I am dubbing it now and make this go public, and it's super simple and easy in this video to see why BitBoy Crypto, when it comes down to it, is just using the Alex Jones playbook to try to sell you crypto, try to sell you this, sell you that, course this, trading advanced this, technical analysis class that, fucking buy this book, all this horseshit, fleecing you out of $5,000 and $10,000 and $20,000 by the time you buy all of his bullshit, and you're now $15,000 poorer than you were. And he is literally Alex Jones of the cryptocurrency sphere. Look at him.
In the work in behind the scenes trying to save crypto, while these devils, Sam Bankman-Fried, Brian Armstrong, they're trying to permanently ruin it. This is not about money for me.
Angry devil is not about money for me. Hey, I've heard that before on the Alex Jones station.
The deceiver, the accuser. Get behind me, Satan. What does Satan do? Gets in front of you on our road to the stars. Satan gets in front. I'm here.
Notice the BitBoy Crypto likes to do the angry with the face and this and that. Here's where he gets it from. Part of the other side of the Alex Jones. You got to get fire in the belly and the burning and the beast and the devil's coming for you. And you need to take my course. The $49.99 on sale, 30% off. Take my fucking course and you're going to learn the technical analysis trading, and I'm going to save crypto because I'm the man of crypto. I'm the man exposing all the scams out there, and I'm the only one that can help you. No, you're not, BitBoy Crypto. What you're doing, BitBoy Crypto, is you're trying to rebrand yourself because you've been caught in Ponzi schemes, promoting them, profiting from them, and fleecing your audience, which could be criminal, and you're being sued, and you're hoping everybody will forget it, but we're not going to forget it. I'm going to continue exposing you. And here's the Alex Jones, where he learned his rant.
Got the fire of human liberty. I'm setting fires everywhere, and humans are turning on everywhere.
with these freaking glasses on, this douchebag is out here trying to tell you that only the suits know what to do. Only the suits. Only the people who have all the money. They're the ones who can.
Where have we heard that before from Alex Jones? The Illuminati and the secret societies and the government can only have everything. They're going to control it all, and they're going to control you, and you're going to have nothing. It's going to be worse than a third world country, brother.
I like to eat. I like to have children. I'm here. I got a life force. This is a human. This is what we look like. This is what we act like. This is what everybody was like before us. This is what I am. I'm a throwback. I'm here. I've got the fire of human.
I hope you share this far and wide, at least this part, because it really is BitBoy Crypto. And if you're watching him for any kind of advice, you shouldn't. It's the same as watching Alex Jones for any kind of advice from him. BitBoy Crypto, that's right. Old Vincenzo'S exposed him. Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, and I hope you liked that. That was actually a long intro. I didn't think it was going to be 6 minutes. But give you some Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technical analysis. As promised, we have... What do we have here? We're still in a step down fashion right now, but in the 4-hour time frame, we're below. Notice I got the beautiful greenback. It's easier to see. We're below that 50 cents, the blue trading zone. Got rejected up here by it. We called the pump. Watch any of them videos from back in. Move that over here to the right side, sir. Come on. Whatever. Back here in May. Doesn't seem. There we go. Back here in September, or not September. What am I talking about? Back here in March. End of February and March, we got bullish as this pattern was about to break out. We're not going to go rehash that. Got rejected up in here like we thought we would. And then we had the hold the moving averages in the 200-day and the 4-hourly, but specifically to the daily time frame. And on the daily 4-hourly, we're bearish. We're below it. But the daily, more importantly, we're bullish, right? Because we're holding on it. But here's what could happen here. See how this doesn't look very good? The volume doesn't look very good, right? Even after that phenomenal pump. But I told you it was just short covering. Everybody now on the exchanges, they're shorting crypto, right? It's so easy in the United States now to short crypto. So when you short crypto, you're essentially fronting the shares to somebody, banking that when you buy them back from them, it's going to be a lower price and you make the spread. Versus if you got to buy them back from the guy at a higher price, he makes the spread and you lose your ass, right? Same thing if you're buying the stock. You're gambling later on in life. If you want to sell it, you can sell it to some other jack off for more than you paid for it. And that's what's going on here. But as you do that and they start buying back, because it traded here was just them buying the price back, leveling off, shorts and long started to reposition, but the shorts started to cover now as the pattern was playing out. And that when they have to cover, as we just learned, they're buyers. So if there were a bunch of shorts that have to take profit because the price plummeted and they want to take profit as the price comes back up, they must sell, or in this case buy the shares back into the open market to take their profit, which now as buyers, so the price goes up. The retail trader sees the price go up and they see a false signal, a misleading signal, a signal that if you don't have the super simple and easy probability based education of the market and how it works, you're going to take this false signal and you're going to jump on the bandwagon up here. And what happens? Completely rolls over right out of the gate, and they're down 15 to 30%, even as the price is still up about 30%, right? Because it went up about 60, and now they're sitting here in no man's land. And if it consolidates and breaks in the daily time frame, this 200 days, what I'm trying to tell you here, it's coming back to 37 cents, and that's probably a level where it would liquidate a lot of these swing traders that thought this was actually the next bull run, when really it's just playing out of short covering, right? So these are the levels we're going to watch. 37 cents on the upside, 51 cents. If for any reason it decides to break above 51 cents, breach this old regional local high from about 10 to 13 days ago, it can have a free run to 68 cents. The higher up, the less likely. On the way down, if it goes to 37 cents and cannot hold this for any reason, it's coming all the way back immediately. There will be no hesitation down to 32 cents. And then it's desperation at the bottom part of the VP volume indicator in the XRP price at 29 cents, right? The Bitcoin price, and then I'll let you go. We're on critical support in the Bitcoin price. We're sitting on the 50-day moving average in the daily time frame. We're in a rising channel. Again, it's a bunch of short covering. Retail traders are starting to do this much right here on the last orgasmic pump up. All the shorts are pretty much covered now, and now the price can continue. Either the retail traders are going to be able to pump it up slightly more and get in just like Ethereum did. Where's Ethereum? Is there any Ethereum in here? No, whatever, I don't care. But it could do what Ethereum did, and we all know what Ethereum did because I talked about it forever. But Ethereum snaked its way through the red trading zone and then quickly reversed and got rejected. This could try to do that as long as it holds the moving averages and this uptrend right here in this rising channel in green, where you got upper resistance, uptrending and uptrending lower support. We can bounce back, breach this, and just continue to snake and slither our way up. And then we would get a harsh rejection in and around the $39,000. Or we're not going to be able to breach this. The sellers are too strong. The retail trader can't pump it up one more time. And we come quickly falling back down into this blue trading zone. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.